In the fast-paced world of startups and venture capital, predicting market success is the ultimate challenge. But what if we've been approaching it all wrong? What if there was a way to predict success before investing millions in product development? Let's face it, the startup world is a graveyard of failed products and wasted investments. The numbers are staggering. But why? The answer lies in how we've been predicting success. For years, we've relied on the concept of product market fit, or PMF. It's been the holy grail of startup metrics. But here's the catch. PMF is a lagging indicator. By the time you're measuring it, you've already invested significant time and resources into your product. This approach leads to a build it and hope mentality. We create products based on assumptions, then scramble to find market fit after launch. It's a recipe for high failure rates and wasted resources. But what if there was a better way? Enter jobs to be done. This revolutionary framework flips the script on market analysis. Instead of focusing on demographics or product categories, jobs to be done looks at the fundamental job customers are trying to get done. It's not about who they are or what they buy, it's about what they're trying to accomplish. This shift in perspective allows us to identify opportunities that transcend traditional market boundaries. Let's break it down with an example. Imagine you're developing a new transportation app. The traditional approach might focus on demographics, young urban professionals, college students, etc. But jobs to be done asks a different question. What job are people trying to get done? The job isn't use a ride-sharing app or take public transport. It's get to my destination. This framing opens up a world of innovative solutions that might not fit neatly into existing categories. Now that we understand the basic concept, let's dive into the key advantages of jobs to be done. 1. Predicting potential market fit before product development. By understanding the job customers are trying to do, we can assess market potential before building anything. This dramatically reduces the risk of developing products nobody wants. 2. Uncovering unarticulated customer needs. Jobs to be done reveals needs customers might not even realize they have. By focusing on the job to be done, we can innovate in ways customers might not have imagined. 3. Quantifying importance and effort levels for specific outcomes. Jobs to be done allows us to measure how important various outcomes are to customers and how much effort current solutions require. This quantitative approach helps prioritize innovation efforts. 4. Reducing risk by assessing market potential without building a product. Instead of building a product and hoping for the best, jobs to be done allows us to validate market potential through research and analysis. This can save millions in misguided development costs. 5. Providing a stable foundation for long-term innovation. While products and technologies change rapidly, the underlying jobs customers need to do remain relatively stable. This provides a more reliable basis for long-term strategy and innovation. Let's see how jobs to be done works in practice with a couple case studies. Case study 1, the parking app pitfall. A few years ago, there was a proliferation of startups focused on building parking apps. They saw an opportunity. People struggle to find parking in urban areas. But let's look at this through the jobs to be done lens. The job isn't find parking. It's part of a larger job, get to my destination. By understanding this, we can predict how the market might evolve. Indeed, we've seen navigation apps like Google Maps integrate parking features, making standalone parking apps less relevant. Case study 2, the rise of streaming services. Consider the evolution of TV and movie watching. The traditional view might focus on watching TV or going to the movies, but the jobs to be done perspective reveals a deeper job: access entertainment during my downtime. This framing helps explain the massive success of streaming services like Netflix. They didn't just offer a new way to watch TV, they fundamentally changed how people get access to entertainment. So, how do we put jobs to be done into practice? It requires a shift in how we approach market research. Instead of focusing on product features or customer demographics, jobs to be done research centers on understanding the job customers are trying to get done. This involves identifying the core job and breaking it down into steps, defining success metrics for each step of the job, quantifying the importance and current effort levels for each metric, analyzing the data to identify underserved needs and innovation opportunities. This approach provides a data-driven foundation for innovation, reducing reliance on guesswork and intuition. The implications of jobs to be done are profound for both startups and investors. For startups, jobs to be done offers a more reliable path to product market fit. By understanding the job customers need to do, startups can validate ideas before significant investment, focus on development efforts on high-impact features, craft more compelling value propositions, and reduce the risk of building products nobody wants. For investors, jobs to be done provides a more robust framework for evaluating potential investments. It allows investors to assess market potential more accurately, identify truly innovative solutions, predict potential pivots or market expansions, and make more informed decisions about where to allocate capital. Jobs to be done isn't just another business buzzword. It's a paradigm shift in how we approach innovation and market analysis. By focusing on the job, not just the product, we can revolutionize how we predict and achieve market success. It's time to move beyond guesswork and embrace a more predictable approach to innovation. Whether you're a startup founder, an investor, or an innovation leader in a large corporation, Jobs to be Done offers a path to more reliable market success. Ready to revolutionize your approach to market fit? Visit our website, www.pjtbd.com, to learn more about jobs to be done and start predicting success before you invest. And if you'd like to learn more about my take on product market fit, read the accompanying blog post. There's a lot more detail inside. You'll find that link down below in the description.